Now let's try to understand some basic concepts related to computer. All of you are familiar with the words hardware and software. Some part of computer is known as hardware and some other parts are known as software. So do you know the difference between these two? Can you give some examples for hardware?
CPU, monitor and mouse. Yes.
CPU, monitor and mouse, that's right. These three are examples for hardware. Can you give any example for software?
Microsoft Word,
Microsoft Word, right.
PowerPoint,
right. Okay, CPU is hardware, Microsoft Word is software. Now tell me a CD containing Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. Tell me whether it is a software or hardware.
Software.
He says it's software. Any other answer?
it's hardware.
It's hardware. So somebody says it's software and somebody says it's hardware. You tell me why you said it is a software.
Because MS Word is a software.
Because MS Word is software. You tell me why this is a hardware.
Because CD is hardware.
CD is hardware. Now it is clear that CD is a hardware and MS Word is a software. Now my question is, CD containing MS Word, how do you classify the term? A hardware or software? That we have to get clarity. Okay, now I will explain. How to distinguish whether a particular thing is software or hardware. In Andhra Pradesh, whenever our ladies fight with husbands, they use one weapon to handle the husband. That is roti maker. Roti maker, no, chapati maker. So this chapati maker is very efficient weapon to control husbands, used by ladies. I think same is the case with the ladies of Kerala. Or do you use any other advanced weapons?
It's the same.
It's same. I think entire in India, this is the common weapon used by ladies to control husbands, a roti maker or chapati maker. Now you use a chapati maker to beat your husband. This is an example for hardware. If you can use something to beat your husband, that can be classified as hardware. Now suppose the fighting between you and your husband is in a computer room. You don't have that roti maker. So you use a computer keyboard to beat him. Now tell me, the computer keyboard, it can be used to beat your husband. So what I told you, if you can use something to beat him, that can be classified as hardware. Now tell me whether keyboard is hardware or not.
Hardware.
It's a hardware.
It's a hardware because you can use this one to beat someone. It's a hardware. Can you beat him with a mouse?
Yeah.
Yes, you can beat him. You can throw a mouse at him. So that's why mouse is also a hardware. Can you beat him with monitor?
Yeah.
Yes, you can beat him with a monitor. So monitor is also
Hardware.
a hardware.
Hardware.
Can you beat him with the CPU dabba, CPU box?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you can use this also to beat him. So CPU box also is a hardware. Now my question is, can you beat him with MS Office?
No.
No, you cannot beat him with MS Office. So that means MS Office is not hardware, it is software. Can you beat him with Windows 10?
No.
No.
No, that means Windows 10 is also not hardware, it is a software. Now we come to our question, a CD containing Windows, whether it is software or hardware. Can you beat someone with CD?
Yeah.
Yes, that means CD is a hardware, but can you beat him with the MS Word package
No.
containing in the CD? No. That means CD is hardware, but the program inside the CD is not hardware, it is software. So that's why when I ask someone to give me antivirus software, he gives me one CD. That means I am asking for software, he is giving me hardware. Okay, it may be hardware, it may be CD, there is something more inside the CD. So a hardware piece can be there without any software, but a software, it has to be inside some hardware. So now I think you understood the concept of hardware and software, the difference between hardware and software. You can touch, you can do something by physically holding it. That is hardware. If you cannot touch or if you cannot hold something, that is software. I will tell one more example. You take a blank cassette. You take another cassette of songs of movie Premam. A blank CD or that blank cassette, it may cost just 10 rupees. But a CD or a cassette containing songs of Premam, it may cost 100 rupees. Why you are paying 90 rupees more? For the songs available inside this cassette, you are paying that extra amount. Okay, but can you see the song? Can you touch the song? No. It is something like software, whereas blank CD is hardware. Okay, now you might have understood the concept of hardware and software. Okay, so in next session, let us see some other important concepts related to computers. Okay, bye.